Hi guys, welcome to Code Patcher, and in this video I am going to discuss Laravel 8 API authentication with JWT token on PHP 8 platform. So we will use this package Diamond JWT Auth, but this package hasn't released the compatible package with PHP 8, so we will install it with the help of some tweak. Okay, and also this documentation is Laravel for Laravel 5.4 or below, so we will make some tweaks to implement this on our Laravel 8. Okay, so currently I have installed the Laravel 8.69.0, okay, on PHP 8. So as you can see, okay, PHP 8.12, okay, and to install this daemon package, we will ignore the dependency check. Okay, so there is a flag, ignore platform Rex, okay, and just install it. It will take a while to install. Okay, installation is complete, and so after the installation, let's follow these steps, and we will make some tweaks according to our requirement. So let's first of all copy this to make Laravel know that we are going to use this JWT auth provider. Okay, so let's open the app.php file and let's close the command prompt for now, and in the provider section let's paste it. Okay. And then the next step is to generate the configuration file for JWT. So in the command prompt, let's paste it and enter. So it will generate the JWT.php config file in your config folder here, and it contains the several configuration of your related to JWT, okay, like a keys and the expiry time of token. Okay, so you can go through. Then the next step is to generate the secret key of JWT. So let's generate it, and it is successfully generated, and you can verify on .env file at the bottom. Okay, so the next step, let's click on next. On this page it's related to Lumen. Okay, so the next step will be to modify the user model to implement the JWT subject contracts. Okay, so let's open the file. Okay, and just paste it. Okay, and to implement it, means JWT subject. It has two functions, so we need to implement those also, and let's copy those from here. and just paste it. Okay, and now configure auth card. So let's copy this part. Okay, and open the auth.php file in your config folder and paste the copied text here. So we are declaring here the card for API request here. Okay, then the next step is to declare the roots. Copy and open the roots api.php file. Let's comment it out, don't record this, and paste this. So you can see it is using auth controller, so we need to create the auth controller also. So let's create it first. Okay, and it's generated, and let's open auth controller and just copy and paste this code there. We will make some changes to make it work. Okay, so let's go through one by one. We have a login function, it is using auth attempt currently, so we need to change to use our JWT auth attempt like this. Okay, to also declare JWT auth. Basically it is in capital. Okay, it is the facade basically, so let's include it, this one. Okay, it is facade, and now the error is gone. Then login function, it first check the credential and then generate the token, and if it is if the credential is okay, then it generate the token with the respond with token function. Respond with token function also return the expiry time of token. We will return our JWT .php file ttl config here. Okay, so let's change it also, JWT.ttl. okay, like this. Also there is a registration function missing, so let's create it quickly. To register the new users, register. Okay, and let's validate the incoming request. Return facade. Okay, and let's catch all the parameters, and in the second parameter we will take 3 parameters. First one is the string name, and that will be required. Okay, second is the email, as we have 3 fillable fields, name, email, password. You can tweak also. I'm just creating here the basic registration function. you can customize as per your requirement. It must be email, and that is required. Okay, and third one is a password. I'm not taking here the confirm password, but you can take if you required. And min length, let's say 6. Okay, so if the validation failed, suppose, so we will return the error message to the user using the API. Okay, response JSON. Okay, if the validator fails, then return the response. Okay, message registration failed, let's say. Okay, and just a message. And if the validations succeed, then let's create the user. User create, name will be request get name. Okay, second one, the email request get email, and third one is the password. To encrypt the password, let's use the bcrypt function. Okay, request get password. Okay, and return the user, the created user in response. We have error here. Okay. And the JSON message will be, let's say, users created, and let's return the user, the created we have created. Okay, so that is the basic registration function. Also, we need to declare the user model on top. User like this. Okay, and now registration function is created, login is okay, me just return the current user, logout just successfully log out the current user, refresh token will return, we change the current token and generate new one. Okay, and it is a wrapper function that will return the user with the expiry time, and it tells that token which is a bearer, so you need to send the token as a bearer. Okay, and in the API.php, here we need to tell the Laravel that where is our auth controller, so let's declare the namespace here, app http, and let's copy here from here and just paste it. Okay, and also declare the register function. Post register. Let's copy it. Okay, you're good to go. So let's test it with the help of Insomnia REST client. So I am sending the three parameter, name, email, and password. Okay, this is our path. So before that we need to restart. We need to start basically our Laravel instance, local server, PHP artisan, serve. Okay, so our local server has been started on port 8000, and let's test it. Root login not defined. Okay, in the auth controller we are using the middleware auth API. Okay, except the function, except for the login function, also we need to declare here our newly created register function. And now let's check it. The spelling is incorrect. Okay, also let's create it first. So we have created our user successfully. Okay, it returned the message user created and the user, and let's log in with this user. So for the login we are sending the email and password. Okay, and also you can check database if user is created not. The user function in the user table we have created Moshi123. Okay, and let's log in with the login path, and I am sending email and password, and the header is a URL form URL encoded, and send. So it returns the access token and token type bearer, and expiry is a 60 second. Okay, so let's copy it, this token, and on the user profile, that's a me path. Okay, it's a get, and we have declared here in our roots the me. Let's change it, it's a post. Okay, it runs it will return the current user. Okay, and let's send the bearer token. Insomnia, it's a bearer tab under the address bar. You can paste it here, paste your token. If we access this path without the token, so it will throw the error. It will also modify this response. We will change it later. So let's for now paste the token, enable, we will get the result. Okay, so now our authentication JWT authentication is working. Also the refresh token, and we can check here. So it will return the new token. Okay, so if we using the same old token, that will not work like this. Okay, also you can customize this response. Simply there is a middleware, auth middleware, authenticate middleware. Okay, and it extends the middleware class, and the middleware class has the authenticated function. So let's copy it and paste here, and instead of throwing the exception, we will use the abort function. We can use the abort function here. Okay, and the abort function, let's return the response and the authentication code, the error code, response. Okay, and you can customize it as per your requirement. Okay, and now if we check this, then we will get this. Okay, so in this way we can implement this package. Okay, this time and JWT auth package. Okay, hopefully this video will help you, and if you like it, then please subscribe and like my channel. Okay, thank you guys.